Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today guys, I'm gonna do we have some dry gungo. You understand man? I'm gonna cook some gungo rice and peas guys. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Be your badness. Yeah guys, as you can see over here, so see me gungo them, put them to soak. You understand me? So I'm gonna do now. I will light on the stove guys and put them to boil. Guys, some gungo rice and peas and brown stew chicken guys. Watch your badness. Yeah guys, so put on the gungo peas to go and boil. You understand now dude? So guys, gungo rice and peas, brown stew chicken guys. Be a badness in our kitchen today. Watch how I go and soon come back. Yeah guys, so this have the chicken some drumstick. You understand now dude? So I'm gonna clean up the chicken. I'm gonna swag go in our kitchen guys. So be a badness. Yeah guys, so clean up the chicken. You understand me, dude? And you see over here, so guys. You see over here, so a part of bubble up. Watch out, go on, guys. Yeah, guys, some bad bungo rice and peas. Some dry bungo. You understand the overs? Yeah. Some dry bungo, guys. So, guys, now make the peas go and cook. And see my chicken over here, so I will sprinkle some chicken season and hard purpose. You don't know badness. Yeah guys, so chicken season all purpose. Yeah guys, so season up the chicken and make it go and marinate. You understand me how it? Yeah. Some bad brown stew chicken guys with the Irish. You understand me how it? Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna leave this, make it go and marinate. You understand me how it? Yeah. A long time I don't do some brown stew chicken guys, so I don't know the badness. Guys, that's how I go on. Yeah. So guys, make it go and marinate. So I'm gonna do make my peas go and cook and then I go blend up the coconut guys in my rice and peas. You understand me how I did? Yeah, gungo rice and peas guys. Coconut. Yeah guys, so you don't know the badness, but I go and cook. I go great in blend up my coconut and all so you don't know the badness go. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I light up the next part of stove now. Put on my chicken, you understand how I did? Yeah guys. Brown stew some chicken guys and some gungo rice and peas. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so now I use the sugar and brown the meat. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Guys, you see the badness I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, be a badness. So now we're gonna blend up some coconut meantime guys. Yeah. Yeah guys. So the peas cook. You understand me already? So I go on night chicken pot. Yeah, me already throw water for the chicken guys. Guys, I be about this like kitchen. I'm gonna do I go blend up my coconut and now you can see what I go on in the kitchen guys. Cause my peas cook so I go blend up my coconut. You can see what I go on. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna blend up my coconut now. Yeah guys, some gungo rice and peas. Brown stew chicken guys. Don't know the badness. Yeah guys, finished blending up the coconut so I go strain him off. I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand me already? Yeah guys, so I'll pour in the coconut juice in my pot. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna season my pot now. We're gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. You understand me already? Guys, I'm gonna put in the ground season and the Irish. Yeah guys, so I'm going in the kitchen over here, so yeah guys, be a badness. Let the chicken go and cook, you understand what I mean? And guys, I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash my rice and put in the pot guys. Yeah, some bad gungo rice and peas guys, I'm not like it tell you. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna wash my rice now. Yeah guys, rice in the pot, overs. Let me rice go and cook guys. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen. Yeah, be a badness. Yeah guys, you see the bag of me throw the rice out I go wash it and put it over me rice. It's steam out guys. Watch your badness. So guys, now leave this, make it go and cook. You understand? No more water, nothing now put no pot, make my rice go and cook guys. See my chicken over here so. Be a badness. Be a badness guys, man I like it tell you. Brown stew chicken, I mean gungo, rice and peas. Yeah, some dry gungo guys, not the green gungo, dry gungo. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a gungo rice and peas. I'm a brown stew chicken. Soon come back. Got you to live all the time. Yeah guys, some bad brown stew chicken. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, the chicken don't cook. You understand now this one I'm gonna do. Now we'll lock off the stove. Guys, I don't know the madness. So now I do not make my rice go and steam out guys. You don't know the badness. Stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a gungo rice and peas and brown stew chicken guys. We soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on my chicken pot. Yeah, the chicken done. My ear badness guys. Yeah. Yeah guys, look for my gungo rice and peas guys. I be about this.